So a lot of people have heard of the benefits of opening up a Roth IRA account and being able to take advantage of the tax-free growth that the accounts offer. But there's still a lot of confusion of how to go about opening the account. So the first step is to find a stock brokerage that offers Roth IRA accounts. One of those is TD Ameritrade, which is the example I'm using above. You can open up a Roth IRA at any reputable stock brokerage or bank. And the process is very similar to opening up just a regular bank account. So if you've ever opened up a bank account, it's going to be very similar to that process. Once you have your Roth IRA account opened, the next step is going to be connecting it to your bank account so that you can transfer money from your bank account to your new Roth IRA accounts. And the stock brokerage you open it up with will walk you through those steps. And one thing to keep in mind is that a Roth IRA is simply a special investing account. Once you transfer money to your Roth IRA, you still need to invest the money that you transferred over. You can invest in stocks, you can invest in index funds, or even bonds. If you want to keep things simple, consider investing in one of these ETFs. The beauty of Roth IRAs is the tax-free growth that these accounts offer. But that growth only comes if you're consistent with investing.